The building I'm in right now, it's a 96,000 square foot building. It's like my bragging rights. It's 10 stories or 11 stories downtown Kansas City, 10th and Main.
And you own the building that you're in?
Yeah, man, take a look at it. It's 1044 Main. If you want to Google it right now,
What is
I'm
it?
really 1044 Main Street, Kansas City, Missouri. So get your Google Earth up there or whatever you're looking at, and drop your little yellow guy, and you'll be like, oh, yeah, I like that. Now, full disclosure, I'm losing about $30,000 a month right now on it because it does not cash flow.
Wow.
But, I've bought enough properties where that I knew that I was going to be bleeding for probably a considerable amount of time until I get it fully occupied.
Dang, so you bought a downtown building.
Yeah.
Holy crap. Is it this there's like a bank in it?
Yeah, I bought it from a Bank of Oklahoma. That's who owned it before me.
Wow, that is awesome. How much did you pay for that?
$5.2 million.
That sounds like a deal.
It's a hell of a deal, man. I only buy deals. Okay.
What do you think it's worth? 10?
I think filled up. I think it's worth 20.
Oh shit! Are you gonna
maybe 30? Maybe 30. Between 20 and 30. Yeah.
Are you gonna flip it?
Probably not.
Just cash flow?
Yeah. I think this will be like one of those legacy assets. Like, I don't see.
Dude, you bought a building in the downtown. That's fucking awesome.
I got another cool one around the corner, not as big, 409 Armor. My goal is there's another building that I'm working on that I will be probably announcing. The Federal Reserve Building of Kansas City. I've been talking to the owner of that building as well. That'll be something that I'll probably put together a syndication fund type of deal with. But yeah, there's a bunch of cool stuff that I like to do. And this is how I get my artistic side on. Like, for me, it was super cool because my first mastermind, JR, I brought all of my students who came. I think there was a total of 18 people that came to the program. 12 of them were students. And I took them in front of this building and I said, I got denied on the loan 7 times so far. I said, hopefully the next time we do our mastermind in KC, I'll own it. I got denied 10 times. I got the loan done. And yeah, we're in it now.
That's awesome, man. Shoot, I would love to own a downtown building in your city.
You will. You absolutely will. You're 13 years younger than me, dude. You're gonna get it, dude. You're way ahead of me when I started. So there's absolutely you will.
Crazy, man. That's awesome. Thanks for the inspiration.
Yeah.
That wasn't even a dream of mine, but now it might be.
Well, like, here's the deal. Like, there's something to be said. Like, that's why I always tell people, because if I say, hey, I own the building, but it doesn't cash flow, it's a better thing than saying I own the building, right? Like, tell the negative too, right? Tell the whole story. Like, no, it doesn't cash flow, right? But here's the potential, right?
Yeah. What is the potential?
Oh man, it's big. We got 7,200 square foot floor plates. So if you just take $20 times 96,000 square feet, less expenses, you can do it. It should cash flow over 6 figures a month, on one investment. We only have a 50% mortgage on it, so we put $2.6 million down, and it's a good solid asset in the best place in Kansas City to have a building.
And you're not paying any taxes for a while.
Yeah, well, that's been my goal. Yeah, that's been my goal for a while. Yeah, we cost segregate the shit out of everything, right?
That's awesome. Congrats, man.